last but not least, got these screws right here, so very necessary. Go ahead and show you guys these. This is the little side corner pieces right there. Those back. So yeah, we'll have to see what this looks like posted on the vehicle. Bam, here we go. Alright, so as you guys can see, it really makes the back end look super aggressive. Now what you guys might be wondering is, where are my side spats, which go right here? They're not on. I was kind of running out of time when I installed this. It's actually been in the car for like almost a week now. I just haven't had the ability to get the car back on the lift and just reach these lower points. So I will do that. You know, I can actually make a video if you guys really want that to happen. But all in all, I'm super impressed with the way the Maxton Diffuser came out. I love it. It looks so awesome, and especially with the Maxton with the rear wing, as you guys can see. So I'm super happy with the product. Also, it's held on super well. It's so sturdy. You know, if you go to wiggle it, it will jiggle a little bit, but the only thing jiggling is the actual like car. So it's on there, and I'm really impressed with the way it came out. So all in all, I think Maxton makes a really great product. Like I said, it's been on the car for a little bit now, and can't wait to put the side spats on and show you guys what that'll look like, because it probably look pretty cool. But anyway, thank you guys so much for staying tuned for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.